Hello and welcome guys, it's me Harshdeep, welcome you all to my channel The Polaris Tech. So today we're gonna be again discussing about the Tech Masala episode number 8, where we are gonna be talking about latest tech news, latest tech updates and all the technologies introducing around the world. First of all, a happy new year to you and your family and all your loving ones from me and the Polaris Group family and from my family to you all, because you all are my family and I do love you all because you are my support, and like we are the family, we are the digital family of all of us. So let's begin with today's video, and once again a happy new year to you all. So if we start with the first news, is by Samsung. So in earlier video we have obviously discussed about the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro, but now on the support page of the Samsung's website we have spotted the Galaxy Buds Pro, and it's gonna be out soon. Like the support page is a support page which is a back end design page for every website supporting thing. So if you're gonna be taking a look at another update for today, so Vivo Y20A with triple rear camera, which is like currently very fascinating. Like single camera is not enough by any mean in today's world. So Vivo Y20A is on sale today. You can buy it from your local shop or from Amazon or Flipkart, and it's a very good phone because like in such a good price you do have a very good phone. So if we are going to be talking about, I know that this news is not related to tech, but it's a very big thing for the market of the tech. So we do all know about Facebook and the marketing integrity, like the marketing head of the Facebook, Mr. Rob Leathern, has left the company. He resigned from the company, and it's gonna be a big default for all of us and for the company too. And if we are gonna be taking a further look at Samsung once again, then Samsung Galaxy S21 has been tipped to have 35% more battery life than the Samsung S20 in the current market. So like 35% more battery life than the current market S20. Like S20 do have a good battery. You could have a 4 to 4.5 hours of screen on time, like SOT, which is a very good thing, and a full resolution of the display with all that powerful things going on. So it's a very good thing. And after that we are gonna be seeing the growth of 35%. So it's gonna be a very good thing. And if we talk about Redmi, so Redmi 7 is gonna be start now receiving Android 10 update because the December 2020 security patch has been cleared by MI. So now we are gonna be seeing Android 10 on Redmi 7 series. And if we talk further about Samsung once again, so Samsung Smart Things. So what is Samsung Smart Things? So like we have Alexa and Google Home and all this stuff for smart home automation. Like, and same thing is like here from Samsung, which is the Samsung Smart Things. So earlier we were used to get a kit, but now Samsung is introducing with something new where you're gonna be seeing the whole Samsung home automation setup. Like earlier we were just used to get some motion sensors and stuff, but this time it's growing good, and it's been spotted in Taiwan's NCC site. So let's see what happens next. And my favorite company, the Apple. So Apple is working on a foldable phone, and the prototype of this phone has passed the internal durability test of Foxconn. Like Foxconn is the main company of producing company of Apple, and in India we can say it proudly, our leading businessman of the market, Mr. Ratan Tata, has invested $5 billion to produce iPhones in India. So it's a very good thing, and we are thankful to Tata Group and Mr. Ratan Tata to give India such a great chance to produce such a good phones in India. And we are thanking you a lot, man. If you're watching, I don't know. And then if you're gonna be talking once again about laptops, then Asus ROG Zephyrus G15 is a laptop with a Ryzen 5000 series CPUs, has been spotted on Amazon's launch event. Like Amazon has the pre-launch unit and all this stuff. So like it's been spotted over there in on Amazon. Again, like this time there are so many of UI updates. So Realme UI 2.0, beta based, like Realme UI 2.0 is now currently working on a beta version. Like they have not introduced a proper version of UI 2.0. So it's based on Android 11 as per as the report, and it's gonna be soon released for Realme 6 Pro, Realme Narzo 20 Pro, and more all the series from Realme. And then if you again talk about MI, so MI A3 Android 11 update is now rolling out of the market, like rolling out on the market, because they have seen a lot of complaints from users from their earlier UI. So now they are going to be working with Android 11. And if we talk about Xiaomi Mi, which is again the Redmi once again, so Mi 11 sold about, like today was the 1st January. Yesterday was the first day of selling of the Mi 11, and they sold 3.5 lakh units in 5 minutes, and that's a very big punch of amount of quantity. Like they sold 3,50,000 units in just 5 minutes on Flipkart, and that's a very good thing. And Oppo, so okay, Oppo 5G series is, we are currently waiting for Oppo 5G. Like there is Oppo Reno 5 5G, Oppo Reno 5 Pro 5G. So it's been spotted on multiple certification websites. Like all the smartphones go through certification, certain stages of certification, like their IP ratings, the consistency, processor durabilities, and all that stuff. So from all that sites, we have spotted these phones in the 5G series. So we are hoping that there is gonna be a global launch soon, and it's been expected in 2021 only. And if we are gonna be talking about Qualcomm Snapdragon, so Qualcomm is a processor making company for smartphones, tabs, and all this stuff. So Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 Plus is about to launch in halfway of 2021, like in June or July of 2021. We are gonna be seeing this new processor 888 Plus, Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 Plus from Qualcomm. And the last news of the day is from Redmi. So Redmi 90 launch has been rumored for January 8th. So like today is the 2nd of January, then I do think that we are gonna be seeing latest phone from Xiaomi on the 8th of January, and it's gonna be saying by Xiaomi that they are about to launch around 9 phones in early 2021 by their side. Like it's a very good thing. Like Xiaomi is trying to upgrade, and they are producing all the phones in India right now, so it's not gonna be bad for us. And with this said, guys, today it is just all about today's video, and I hope that you liked my video. If you liked it, then please do press the like button. Please do subscribe to my channel. Please do press the bell icon beside that, so you're gonna be notified first when I'm gonna be posting a new video. And with that said, please do share my video. And it's me signing off, Harsh Tipsy. See you in front of Polaris Group.